So Mario, so tell us how long you've been working on cars?
Technically 4 years now.
4 years. So pretty much this is about 4 years worth of required tools that pretty much is only needed. You mind explaining to us what you have?
Yep. Got my top drawer here. Nothing but ratchets and sockets.
Out of your ratchets, which one's the best one that you like?
Well, it used to be a smaller one than this, but it got lost.
So he decided to leave it in the car.
Yep.
And you got your 3/8 impact swivels. Your shorts and only mint. This guy does not like the deep sockets for some weird reason. Your little 1/4-inch set right here. Hardly gets ever used.
Yep.
First drawer.
Got my wrenches and hammers. Got the stubbies on the corner. And I got these bad boys. Extra sockets on here. Just miscellaneous. Screwdrivers and plier drawer.
Of course, with the matching screwdrivers. Matching plier rack.
Got my torque.
What is that, 3/8 and 1/2 inch?
Yep, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and newly acquired 1/4 inch.
Alright,
And I got my lug nut sockets over there.
What do you think about that tray? Magnetic tray.
It's not bad. Can't stand them up, but it's pretty badass. Got my special torque set over there. Just miscellaneous stuff. Pens. Pocket screws. My impacts. Other miscellaneous shit. Pretty much. This is just throw everything you want in there.
Mess drawer.
That's right.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys.